Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to vPro Tech. Today I am going to show you some interesting hacks which save you lots of time while using Google Maps. Today we are going to download and install Google Map app in your desktop. For that, go to your Chrome browser, log in your Chrome browser with your Google account, then go to Google Apps, select map option. Now the map page will be open in the browser, but we want in our desktop. So for that, as the page load, in URL box we'll find the install button here. In case you won't find this button, so don't worry, just go to three dots here. Now go to cast, save and share option. Here you will find install page as the app. Just click here. Now the window will pop up prompting for the installation. Just click on install. As soon as you click, the app will be open automatically. You can check your desktop. The icon will appear here. Now you can open it like a normal Windows app by double clicking it. Now you can enjoy your Google Maps from your desktop directly without going to your browser. From here you can check any route, any maps, any directions. In future, further you no longer want this app, you can uninstall directly from here. Just click three dots and select uninstall option. It will be removed from your desktop permanently. So this trick will save you lots of time while accessing Google Maps. So thank you guys. I hope this video helped you a lot. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.